Welcome back to our high-end audio and home cinema showcase. Today we are conducting an intensive technical analysis of a towering, reference-grade audiophile masterpiece built to deliver concert-level dynamics directly into your listening room. The Klipsch RF-7 III floor-standing speaker, meticulously crafted in Hope, Arkansas and finished in a premium furniture-grade Black Ash Wood Veneer, represents the absolute zenith of high-efficiency horn-loaded loudspeaker design. It is helpful to clarify right away that while typical floor-standing speakers use lightweight plastic frame drivers and small dome tweeters that distort at high volumes, this massive reference tower utilizes heavy-duty cast basket woofers and a massive Pro-tier compression driver. Klipsch has engineered this structural powerhouse with an all-new 1 3/4-inch titanium high-frequency engine, dual 10-inch copper Cerametallic woofers, and a uniquely bifurcated cabinet to provide a transparent, jaw-dropping soundstage that handles up to 1,000 watts of peak dynamic energy. The engineering breakthrough of the Mark III generation centers completely on its high-frequency dispersion and horn geometry. The cabinet houses a massive 1 3/4-inch titanium compression driver mated to an updated 90 by 90 degree compressed molded rubber Tractrix horn. This molded rubber construction drastically dampens high-frequency harshness, giving you the hyper-detailed transient response and wide imaging that Klipsch is famous for, while keeping the upper frequencies smooth and fatigue-free during long listening sessions. The low-frequency muscle of this loudspeaker is managed by dual 10-inch cast basket Cerametallic woofers. These signature copper-spun drivers are exceptionally rigid yet remarkably lightweight, allowing them to track lightning-fast mid-bass punch without cone flexing or structural breakup. As you look at the physical architecture of the enclosure, you will discover a completely redesigned bifurcated internal cabinet. This layout isolates each 10-inch woofer into its own separate, independently tuned chamber. By separating the internal airspace, each driver works completely independently, preventing internal standing waves and eliminating unwanted mid-range interference. Turning the speaker around reveals the meticulous attention paid to airflow and back panel connectivity. Dual rear-firing Tractrix ports utilize geometric flares to ensure that air exiting the cabinet flows with absolute efficiency, completely eliminating distracting port chuffing and maximizing low-end bass extension down to 32 Hz. Right below the ports, a heavy-duty aluminum input panel features dual gold-plated binding posts, allowing audiophiles to by-wire or bi-amp the speaker to isolate the high and low-frequency networks.